Hi, my name is David, and in this video, we're going to break down how you as a business owner can optimize your website to convert visitors into customers and clients. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pretend that we are a potential client and type in a search phrase on Google. This is what people do when looking for a service, they type in something on Google. So let's say we're going to say lawyers in Miami. So immediately they're most likely going to see lawyers who are running ads here. But let's say they wanted to see some more of the businesses near them. So they see, okay, I see 3 law firms here, but let's say I want to check out more lawyers. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see that there's 10 pages. Most people are not going to click through all 10, but what they might do is here, they might start scrolling down here and they might choose a name. So let's say they want to choose this name here. So they'll click on the website. So one thing you want to keep in mind is you want to make sure first off that your business is on Google Business. It's very easy to set up. You can just type in Google Business and get started. So that way, when somebody does search lawyers Miami, car repair Miami, sports trainer Miami, restaurant, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you show up. So to make sure to get your profile, your Google Business profile for your business, some key things you want to add is your location of the business. If you click here, let's see, there's the way to, let's see, click this, good. So you can add here the address of your business, the hours that you're open, phone number or contact information, of course, a link to your website. This is very, very helpful for potential customers to easily see quick information about you at a glance. So when you're setting up your Google business, these are some things you want to keep in mind. But of course, to learn more about you, more than likely, they're going to click on your website. So this is why it's very important that you optimize your website, because when somebody comes to your website, they're not going to spend too much time. There's a couple of things they're looking for. So like when I hit this website, the first thing I want to know is, what is this website about? Clearly, I see here, criminal defense lawyer, criminal defense. So I already know what it is about. And since I'm already looking for lawyers, and let's say I'm looking for a criminal defense lawyer, I already know that this business is for me. You see here a little bit about his experience. It says 20 years as a top 100 trial lawyer, and then his name, attorney Michael Mayer. So this is how you optimize your website. You immediately show who you are and how you can help people and also who you're helping. See, notice here, it's helping people who are looking for some type of criminal defense lawyer. So these are things you want to keep in mind. Also, something very important is to add important links up here. If there was no links here anywhere on the page, how can I get quickly to certain parts of the website? Here, if I want to learn more about who this person is, I can click here. If I want to learn about his services, I can click here. If I want to schedule a consultation, I can click here. If I want to reach out to him, there's 2 phone numbers here. And of course, reviews and case results. So this is how you optimize your website to make sure that there's enough information for the potential customer to make a decision. One other good thing here is a call to action. So before somebody even scrolls down the page, you want to have some type of action link here, whether it's reviews, learn more, contact us, some type of link here. So this is the format that you want to use. Header, subheading, or paragraph, and then link. If you can remember that, you'll be good. Header, subheader, or paragraph, and link. That's all you really want to do. And of course, something that's also very helpful is the chat bot here. That once you click on this, you can actually chat with you as the business owner, connecting with the customer, because you can have some type of contact form or a phone number, but maybe you're not available and then you miss out. So you have a chat bot here that you can install to have that quick and smooth communication with your customers. But this is how you optimize your website from somebody searching on Google. I come to this website, it's optimized. Now I can scroll, I can learn more. There's a video about this person and his services. And by following this simple process, this is how you can optimize your website to convert potential customers into customers. So if you have any more questions, I hope this video was able to help you first out to see a little bit about how to optimize your website. But if you have any more questions, if you want help actually implementing this in your website, if you want an audit of your website, feel free to either come to my website, zqdo.info, to book a call. You can learn a little bit more about what I do, how I can help you in my services, or you can send me an email at zqdo.tech@gmail.com. So you can do either one. You can come to my website, book a call, learn a little bit more, or send me an email, zqdo.tech@gmail.com. But I hope this video was a little helpful on how you can actually optimize your website from somebody typing in a search result to then the person coming onto your website.